Hey, I'm Robin Kelly, and I want to invite you into my home to share my extraordinary supermarket in my kitchen and in my basement. And I'm also here to tell you, you don't have to be a farmer to be able to grow some of the most nutrient-dense, absolutely delicious produce in an environmentally friendly way. No green thumb? No problem, because with our vertical aeroponic growing system, you don't have the same learning curve that you have with traditional gardens. Are you super conscious as to where your food comes from? How many hands have touched it before it landed in the supermarket? Was it vine ripened? Do you know what vine ripened is and why is that important? These are all very good questions, and I believe I have a solution. So what if you could grow clean, fresh produce right at your home all year round? You would no longer be relying on the trucks to transport your produce from across the country. And using the tower garden reduces the need for pesticides, herbicides, and insecticides. And no more plastic bags in those plastic containers to toss out or recycle from your supermarket. These are huge wins for all of us. And because of the aeroponics system, the tower garden uses less than 10% of the water needed in traditional gardening. And because it's vertical, tower garden uses just 10% of the land necessary to grow the produce. And in each model of the tower garden home in my kitchen, and the tower garden flex in my basement, they both take up less than 3 square feet of space. So yes, the tower garden is easier and more convenient, but what I love about it is the science behind aeroponics. When you grow in an air and mist environment without soil, you can grow 30% faster. You can actually eat a head of lettuce within 3 to 4 weeks. So you're harvesting more often and sooner. Another win-win. So in the end, our good health starts with good habits. And that could just be eating good, wholesome foods that not only taste delicious, but it smells good too. And our tower garden system allows you to easily grow nutrient-rich food without soil indoors and outdoors. Let's take a look how it happens.
Tower Garden's state-of-the-art aeroponic vertical garden system uses both water and air to produce more colorful, better-tasting, and incredibly nutritious fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Tower Garden has a 20-gallon reservoir at its base that stores the Tower Tonic nutrient solution. Developed by experts in plant and human nutrition, Tower Tonic Mineral Blend enables superior plant growth and better nutrition from your Tower Garden produce. The process begins once the seedlings have been placed in your tower garden. Here they will be nourished with Tower Tonic nutrient solution. Inside the reservoir is a small, low-wattage submersible pump. The pump pushes the nutrient solution up through the tower to the top. From there, the nutrient solution drips through the central tower using a special device that evenly cascades the solution over the exposed plant roots. On the journey down the tower, the nutrient solution feeds the roots and becomes highly oxygenated as it cascades gently down the reservoir. This process is continuous, providing fresh oxygen, water, and nutrients to the roots of the plants. This patented aeroponic process enables food crops to grow faster than they would in soil, so they can be harvested more often. And it makes Tower Garden the healthier, easier, smarter way to grow your produce.
Thanks for letting me share my plant growing machines with you today. And if growing your own food is not your cup of tea, or maybe you want to add more produce to your diet, reach out to me and I can share with you some research-based whole food concentrates in delicious gummy and vegetarian capsule form that allow you to get 30 more plants in your body every day. And if you have a picky eater, I can show you how kids age 4 to college can get it for free. So with everything I've shared with you today, my hope is that you will be able to pull out something to help yourself grow a healthier you this year, next year, and hopefully for the rest of your life. And please just use me as a resource if you'd like to get more plants in your body every single day. Thank you.